Hello. So today I have a laptop here, uh, which have a hard drive problem. So when you put it on, it makes some clicking noise. The hard drive is failing. So um, so I'm going to show it to you how to do hard drive upgrade. I've already removed the screws from the bottom of the laptop. I've removed all the screws, so no need for me to go back and redo those ones. So I have the laptop here. I've already opened this could be most of the parts. Okay, as I was demonstrating to you, so now I've already removed the screws from my laptop. I've already removed all the screws. So you can use a pricking tool to remove, to unlock it, and then when you remove it, you have to be careful. Different laptops have different ways of opening. But you have to be careful because the keyboard or there may be other connections under your keyboard too. So be careful, remove it like that. If there's a connection there, what I'll do is you can use a SATA tool and then remove the connection from your keyboard to your motherboard. So once you remove everything like I did, you remove everything like that, and then you put that one aside because we don't need it. What we're doing is we're going to upgrade this HP laptop hard drive from the SATA hard drive, traditional hard drive, to a solid state hard drive. As you can see here, I have here 500 gigabyte solid state hard drive from Double D, which I'm going to upgrade this laptop with. I have already opened it to verify to make sure, and so here I have it. Also, the reason why I choose Double D, I have been using Double D for quite a long time, and all my customers or all the laptops that I have installed Double D hard drive on, especially this SSD hard drive, Double D has never disappointed me, and all the people that I've installed Double D SSD hard drive on are all working excellent, no complaint at all. Even myself, two of my laptops, all of them have double D SSD hard drive there. I upgraded them, so and I don't have no issue as well. And also I also have a double D external hard drive too, which I use it for backup purposes too. So if you want to have a hard drive, definitely you can consider double D hard drive or the external hard drive or SSD hard drive too. Okay, and so I have my SSD hard drive here, which I'm going to upgrade. So I'm going to put that one aside, and then if you look in here, if you look in, if you look in here, I have my traditional hard drive here. So I'm going to remove this one because it's faulty right now. It's making a clicking noise when you put the laptop on. It's making clicking noise, click click, and that says clear indication that the hard drive is dying or is reaching its end of life as well. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I hope my video is clear, and I hope too you can hear me much more clearer on this video too. So what I'm going to do is this hard drive have two screws, which I'm going to remove, which I'm doing right now. So I remove it, and then I'm going to carefully, if you look here too, I'm going to carefully remove this connection here from the hard drive to the motherboard. And I can use basically any tool really. So if you want, you can use the SAP tool. All I have to do is put it underneath here, and then you ejected it, and then I remove my SATA connection there as well. So once you do that, you can carefully remove your hard drive. You can either use your finger or you can use sharp tool too. So here I have my faulty hard drive. On top of that too, I'm going to repair this hard drive because the user have a very important data on here which she definitely need. So I'm going to repair this hard drive and transfer the content from here to my SATA hard drive there. So I'm going to remove the enclosure and also the SATA connection from the external hard drive. So once I separate the two, I don't need this right now for now, so I'm going to put that one aside. Okay, so what I need now is my SATA hard drive. So I'm going to transfer, I'm going to connect my SATA connection. Okay, now I have my connection. So as you can see, so I'm going to connect it back. This hard drive enclosure has a kind of connection. I have to align there. Some of them have the screws, so but in this case I do not need no screws to connect it. So I'm going to connect it. In order to do that, I line it the bottom down first always, and then I carefully push it down gently and do not force it. If you try the other way around, it doesn't go, and try to gently move it around until it goes in. So now I have installed my SSD hard drive in the computer. So I'm going to connect it, and then I'm going to power the device on. So mind you, the hard drive is completely empty, so there is no software or operating system there. So of course it will boot, but you will not see nothing there for now. Okay, so now I have my solid hard drive, and then now I have the hard drive there. I'm going to connect back this keyboard there so that I can do the Windows installation as well. Okay, so now but before I do that, I'm going to connect make the connection and test my hard drive. Okay, so this is my power cable, power connection to the laptop. Okay, now I connect it, and then I'm going to power it on now. So the power connection is sideways somewhere. Okay, here. Okay. You can start doing that because there is no operating system. That's it. No bootable device found. As you can see, no bootable device found. So that means the computer has already recognized the hard drive, but there is no operating system there for now. Okay, so I'm going to continue my work, and then I'm going to set it up too. Okay, so for now I'm going to switch off the computer, and then okay. So I'm putting back the screw because I do test my hard drive and I do know that it's working fine. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close my laptop. So this is the keyboard. We go to the palm rest cover, and then we have the backlit keyboard mouse trackpad, and then we have the keyboard here. So I'm going to connect the two, both of them, and you probably you might not see everything, but of course I will do my best to. Yeah, let me see if I can do it this way so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so first of all I'm connecting making the connection. I'm doing this way so that you can see what I'm doing. not going to completely close the laptop until I can verify that yes, everything's working. So now, for now, I'm going to put my Windows operating system on the laptop. So which operating system I want to put there first is Windows 8.1. I know some people will be asking why that. I have my own reason. So and then and the F11 is not booted, but let me try a different option. Yeah, my keyboard is not properly connected, so I'm going to connect my keyboard back. See, my keyboard is not connected properly, so I'm going to turn it off and then connect my keyboard again. Okay, so what I'm trying my best so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to put this like that, right? I'll hold it with my cheek and then carefully install first. Carefully install my keyboard. Lock that one in place, and then install my strike file. And from there, I'm going to close my laptop. Well, temporarily. And from there, I'm going to test it to make sure that my laptop is okay. Okay, now my laptop recognizes the keyboard, so I'm going to power it off and try to boot the computer from my USB drive. So you can do it in two ways. You can either go to the BIOS setting and then do it there, or better still, you can command the computer to boot from the flash drive. So that's what I'm trying to do now, and it didn't allow allow me that, but you want me to do the hard drive check. I'm going to do a quick check. So I'm doing a drive test, which can take some couple of minutes. So this one I'm doing right now. Okay. I'm going to pause the video.